Okay, welcome back. So we are going to be making some Valentine's Day gift baskets. So right here I have some floral foam that I'm using in these tins here. So all the supplies that I use, I will put them in my description just for you to use for future reference if you want to make something similar to that. So don't mind me, we're gonna be cutting this up because basically what I want to do is get this half here and place that in there. So we gotta maneuver it a little bit. So let's see, I'm probably cut it like this. Okay. Yeah, I think this will work. So we're gonna glue this down. Let me get my glue gun ready. Now that we've got the foam in here, we got it glued in, what we're gonna do is we got our artificial flowers. So I'm gonna take these off of there and start to just push them in there. So, boom, done, see? Goes in there, it stays in there, which is nice. And if you wanna use glue to, you know, make it more secure, you can, but I mean, I'm fine with just doing this, so it's up to you. All right, so we're just gonna put those in here. All right, there we go. So now we've got one side all nicely, the little flowers on there. So now what we're gonna do is get some crinkle paper. All stuff that you can get off of Amazon. I'll make sure to put some links in the description. I'm just gonna get a little bit. I don't need a lot. Because what we're gonna use this side for is for all our little soaps that we made. Okay, so now we got it in there. Makes it a little bit, you can put as much as you want, you know. Don't really have to use too much because that is what the soaps is gonna be taking up that space. All right, so I made these adorable soaps here and I got them shrink wrapped. So you just put them in there. So we're gonna start with this one. Let's see, we'll place it like that. Then I have another soap that I created, right? And you can like put it in here like that. And then the other soaps that I made, just little small ones, it's a Conversation Hearts is the mold that I found on Amazon. It's so cute. Look at that. So cute, and it's soap, right? So I'm gonna stick this one right in here. And boom, look at that. Isn't that cute? Simple, simple, easy. Took me, what, a couple of minutes to do, right? And so to add some more pizzazz to this, we are going to put this in a really cute little gift bag. So I got those. Get one right here. So I got this right here. We're gonna stick it in there. And so basically what you do, you just wrap it right here. So let me get the, where are my ties? Be right back. Found them. Okay. All right. So to keep this all nice and snug, we're basically gonna wrap this around here. So I'm just gonna So now we got that wrapped, ready to go. We're gonna cut all this excess off. We don't need all that. And I like to make it, I mean, you could, you know, do it like this, but I gotta go extra step. We gotta put some ribbon in here. So boom, got the pink ribbon. We're going to, let's see. We'll use that much. Should be enough. So I just usually make just a simple bow. Nothing special. I would say I am not like the best at doing bows, but I mean, hey, it's gonna be unwrapped anyway, right? So just make it as cute as you can and call it a day. So boom. My bow kind of sucks, but it's okay. Let's trim this off a little bit. It's kind of a lot. Boom. All right. Done. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So this is a nice little gift that that you can give to your significant other for Valentine's Day. And we did it all at home. Something unique that they wouldn't have to go to the store really to make and kind of compile a whole bunch of different things for a nice, cost-effective and unique gift. All right, hope you enjoy. See you next time.